Some journeys begin with a plan. Ours began with countless postponements. Every time we thought this was the one, life had other plans. Until one message changed everything. For months, this trip existed only in our conversations. Every few weeks, someone would bring it up. We'd fix the dates, get excited, and then somehow the plan would fall apart. After a while, it almost became normal. Maybe next time, that's what we'd tell ourselves every single time. But this time, the messages stopped changing. The bags finally came out, phones went on charge, one last check to make sure nothing was left behind, and for the first time in months, it finally felt real. In just a few hours, we wouldn't be talking about Pamali Kandha anymore. We'd be on our way. And just like that, the trip we'd been talking about for months was finally underway. It was still early, the roads were quiet, the city was slowly waking up, while we were already leaving it behind. There was excitement and that familiar feeling before every adventure. You know where you are going, but you never really know what the journey has planned for you. As we entered the hilly roads, the weather had its own plans. The first drop of rain landed on the windshield, and within minutes, everything around us had changed. The mountains disappeared behind the mist, and the roads became quieter. For me, the winding roads brought another challenge: motion sickness. Not exactly the start I had imagined, but I knew this was only the beginning.
Guys, look at that. That's Narendra Nagar over there. And Narendra Nagar is the place देहरादून के पास में which I like the most. वहाँ का weather मिनटों में change होता है. Especially the Agar Khal. It's awesome.
With every turn, the city felt a little farther away, and the mountains a little closer. The roads twisted through the valleys, following the rivers that had been carving these landscapes for centuries. Every bridge crossed another stream, every bend revealed a new view. It was one of those journeys where reaching the destination almost stopped being the point because the road itself was becoming the part of the story. After hours on road, we finally reached Ghansali, the first major stop on our journey. A small town surrounded by mountains where the roads paused for a while before leading us even deeper into the Himalayas. Some places don't ask you to stop, they simply make you want to. This forest was one of them, quiet, untouched, and exactly the kind of beauty you only find when you are willing to take the long road. Finally हम घुत्तू पहुंचे और यहाँ बारिश हो रही थी. Not the kind that ruins a journey, but the kind that changes its mood. The clouds wrapped themselves around the mountains, and for the first time that day, it truly felt like we are in Himalayas. As the evening slowly settled over the mountains, we finally reached Satiala, a quiet little village that would be our home for the night. After spending an entire day on the roads, there was a strange sense of relief. Aakhir pahunch hi gaye. Those 4 words carried months of waiting and an entire day's journey. The backpacks could finally come off. The roads were behind us, but deep down, we all knew this wasn't the destination. Asli safar to kal subah shuru hona tha. For now, the mountain had given us the place to rest. Tomorrow, they would ask us to earn every step. पहाड़ों की मैगी का टेस्ट ही अलग होता है और पहाड़ों का सनराइज एक अलग ही लेवल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. एंड जस्ट लाइक दैट द वेटिंग वाज ओवर एंड इट वाज फाइनली टाइम टू हिट द ट्रैक. Before we left, we met the smallest resident of the village, curious, playful, and completely unaware that he had just become one of our favorite memories.
This place we are going.
और कुछ इस तरह हमारे आज के सफ़र की शुरुआत हुई.
The track has begun currently in Satyala village, and this is the bridge connecting that part of the mountain to this part of the mountain, and it just started our track and it is awesome. Abhi to excitement hai. Let's see what happens again ahead. So Om, how are you feeling?
Wonderful.
Finally the track.
After 2 years of waiting, 2 years of wait, we are finally here. And our guide was late. He has finally catch up to us. Catched up to us.
There were 8 of us. Some had walked these mountains before. Some were seeing them for the very first time. But for the next 2 days, we were all just trekkers, following the same trail.
दोस्तों अभी सिर्फ 2 किलोमीटर चले होंगे. हालत दिख रहा होगी. लोग दिस पसीना. मैंने अपना जैकेट भी उतार दिया. आफत आ चुकी है. एंड लुक एट दैट. हम वहां से निकले थे. जो पीछे गांव दिख रहा है ये इस गांव से निकले थे हम. अभी हम सामने में पहुंचे उस गांव के. और इट्स ऑलरेडी आई एम स्वेटिंग एज फक एंड दिस इज नॉट गुड. 2 years का इंतजार. इट्स गोइंग टू पे लाइक दिस ओनली.
2 किलोमीटर चलने पे हम नगेला पहुंचे. A small temple resting quietly at an elevation of 2042 meter. It felt like a gentle reminder to pause, catch our breath, and look back at how far we'd already come. But the mountains had a different perspective. पवाली कांठा अभी 15 किलोमीटर दूर है. Our journey had just begun. In the Himalayas, faith often walks alongside the trail. These small temples, though humble in size, carry stories far older than the paths we are walking. We paused for a moment and then continued our journey. Some memories aren't made by the mountains alone, but by the people you share them with. For me, it was a single buras flower.
रास्ता भूल गया. हमें पता चला हम शॉर्टकट से आ रहे हैं. हमसे 1 घंटे बाद आ रहे हैं. वहाँ देखिए
खड़ी चढ़ाई हमने.
इसने पहले हमें रास्ता भूलवाया.
ये हमारी कजिन है और इसने हमें रास्ता खुआ दिया.
और अब बोल रहे हैं हम शॉर्टकट से लाए. अब वहाँ देखो सामने वो बाहर
बोल रहे हैं, झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
बाइक आ रहे थे तो रास्ते की बात भूल गए थे. ओल्ड नहीं ओल्ड दिखा रहा उसमें भाई. उसमें देखना ना फोन. वो नीचे दिखा रहा है. बहुत दूर दिखा रहा है.
मजा आ रहा है.
पुराने जमाने में यहाँ रहते हम गरीब हुआ करते थे। इससे इस पत्ती से इंसुलेशन बढ़िया होता था। खैर अब तो इसका देख रहे होते नहीं है। बहुत अच्छी है। वो किचन था, ये बाथरूम था, वो बेडरूम था।
After a few hours on the trail, we finally took a break. पहाड़ों में हर तरफ स्पिरिट्स और नेचर होते हैं और खाने का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा उनको ऑफर करना यहाँ के लोगों की लाइफ का एक अहम हिस्सा है. In mountains, a simple breakfast is far tastier than the fancy meals of cities. The break has ended. The mountains were calling once again. And far away on the peaks of the mountains, we could see the alpine meadows.
We are supposed to go all the way over there, and उसके पीछे पमाली कांठा बुग्याल है guys. Look at that. And we're still here. We have to walk all the way over here up to there and behind that. अभी वहाँ clouds आ चुके हैं, धुंध आ चुकी है. You're not able to see that, but over there is actually there is a mountain. Look, a little bit of it is visible from here, I guess. Thank you so much.
She knew exactly where to stop. A hidden spring flowing quietly besides the trail. For those who call these mountains home, it's just another part of the journey.
ये आफत है कि
लंबा रास्ता तय करने के बाद we encountered our first बुग्याल. Lush green, surrounded by mountains. It was beautiful. और इसी बुग्याल में थी हमारे ट्रेल की पहली छानी. छानी वो जगह होती है जहाँ पर गांव वाले अपने गाय भैंसों को रखते हैं.
कुत्ते भी कितने मासूम होते हैं, ज़्यादा सा अट्रैक्शन देते हैं, पीछे पड़ जाते हैं.
This place is called Dofand. At 3159 meters above sea level, the air feels cooler and the views stretched farther than ever before. But the journey wasn't over yet. Pamali Kandha was still 4.5 kilometers away. After everything we'd walked, the destination finally felt within reach.
कितना सुंदर है.
शहर में ले आके
I'm gonna cry, man. It's too beautiful. Amazing.
And then the forest opened up. In front of us, our first real bugyal. An endless carpet of lush green grass rolling gently into the horizon. The wind felt lighter, the sky seemed bigger, and for a few moments we simply stood there trying to take it all in. No photograph, no drone shot could truly capture what it felt like to be there.
So friends, at this moment I am standing on this बुग्याल पमाली कांठा एंड मेरे सामने जो है ना हिमालय की ऊंची चोटियाँ कम्प्लीटली विजिबल. थोड़ा बहुत धुंध है लेकिन बर्फ़ और पीक्स जो हैं थोड़ी बहुत दिख रही हैं. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. ओके,
मिली और इन्होंने हमें चाय पिलाई। कैसा लग रहा है? आप कितनी बार आ चुके हो इधर? है ना, कोई गिनती नहीं है ना, मतलब डेली अप एंड डाउन हफ्ते में एक बार ही हो ही जाता होगा। आई एम सो हैप्पी गाइज, सो हैप्पी। जैसे मैंने बुग्याल देखा, आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली आउट ऑफ माई माइंड। और ये और भी प्रिटी बुग्याल है इधर, नीचे जितना सुंदर था उससे डबल ये है। और अभी हमने और सुंदर जगह जाना है। माय गॉड, गॉड ने बहुत सुंदर दुनिया बनाई है यार। Finally, guys, we are at the top peak.
Finally, we had reached the last ridge. Somewhere beyond it, Pawali Kantha was waiting for us. नेगी जी की एक लाइन याद आ गई, आँख ही रह गए ने देख दी, स्वर्ग पहुँच गए मन। Standing here, I could understand those lines. Some places don't need an introduction, they speak for themselves. This is a Bugyal, the alpine meadow of Himalayas. For just a few months each year, they come alive with endless shades of green, wildflowers, and the silence you rarely feel anywhere else. Standing there, it didn't feel like we had reached a destination. It felt like we'd stepped into another world. किसी ने ठीक ही कहा था, you don't always have to leave this world to find a glimpse of heaven. Sometimes all it takes is one mountain and a journey worth remembering. People often ask why we climb mountains. For the views, for the adventures, for the photographs. Standing here, I don't think it's any of those, because a Bugyal isn't just a meadow, it's a place where the noise inside you finally goes quiet, where the wind speaks louder than your thoughts and time forgets to move. Out here, there is no rush, no distraction, just endless green, the sound of the breeze, and the kind of peace that is becoming harder to find. Maybe that's what makes places like Pawali Kantha so special. You don't leave with souvenirs, you leave with silence, the kind that stays with you long after you've returned home.
चल 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 चल।